Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with the project share for the Lavender Garden digital from Sandis Decorate Your Life. And let me go ahead and show you guys what I ended up creating. So look at you guys. So I made this cute little bag, and all I did, just so I would not lose focus of this beautiful digital right here and design, I just put a little flower here, and that's all I did because I thought this showed so much, and I just did not want to like add extra stuff that would basically cover that up. So that's what it looks like. And on this side I just went ahead and did a basic, just left it alone, did nothing to it. So there you go. Of course, again, you guys, this is an amazing digital from Sandy Decorate Your Life. It's called Lavender Garden, and you guys, it is a beautiful. So I did this one right here. I just like want to put it there. I went ahead and made a little cute little card, and this, there you go. And I did use some of the scraps from the collection, and I just went ahead and made a little flower right there, and I just did it really simple. And there you go. And of course, you guys, if you guys have not seen the words, that they are also in Sandy's store. Of course, like I said, I will link the store down on the description below. You guys go over, check it out. Of course, I will link the affiliate link, and you guys know with the affiliate link I do earn a small commission at no additional cost to you, and that just goes to help with buying supplies and doing giveaways. And there you go. And then I did this one right here, and of course this is also part of scraps right here. I just went ahead and distressed them around. I did this little butterfly, as you guys could see, and then there you go. And of course, if you guys can see, this is the same as this right here. There you go. So that was another way of doing this right here. And then I made it into like a trifold. Okay, I didn't add much in here, but I just wanted to show you guys the basics of this right here. I did do like a little pocket right here. I did this pocket right here, so you can put this in here. Okay, and then I did a side pocket in here, and these are just little banners, so you could put these in here. I will probably add a little bit more extra stuff, okay, and then you would just do that right here, and that's another pocket right out there on the side. I just wanted to show you guys. There you go, and there you go. So that's another one. And then I did one last one, and this is what I did. This is the little pocket. So basically I did the pocket in the back, and I just left it empty so you guys could see. Okay, so I wanted to do another card, but I've already done like a few cards, so I was like, you know what, I'll just won't do a card and just put this cut apart right here so you guys could see. And this actually can go in here too if you want to make the card and put it in here. And that's, there you go. Isn't that cute, you guys? Oh my goodness, look at how cute. Anyways, so again, this is the Lavender Garden, and you guys could see how cute and amazing this cute digital is. You could do so many things with it, and you guys can resize. I've said it so many times, this, all the digitals you can resize at any size that you would like. Okay, and you can create and reprint as many times as you like at no additional cost. Once you buy it, it's yours. As long as you keep it in your computer, you can reprint as many times as you like. So who want the actual digital for Sandy's Lavender Garden? And it is an Aubrey. So it is a digital, it is no physical item, so make sure you do email me. I will have my email way down on the description below. So thank you. And if you guys are interested in winning this, I am gonna do a giveaway for this what I created, and for that I would love for you guys to tell me what you guys think of this cute Lavender Garden digital. Honest opinion, what do you guys think? Anyways, thank you, and I'll have I'll try to make this really quick so that way anyways, yeah, I can mail this out to you guys. Anyways, thank you for your time. We'll see you guys on our next video. And of course, I will link Sandy's store and all the items, the digital and all the designers down under the description below. So thank you again. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.